Here we are with the Honda RUCKUS cylinder head with the rocker arms. They're called rocker arms because they rock like this, back and forth. Okay. Now underneath the rocker arms are the valves and valve springs. The valves, which are on, we'll turn it over and take a look at the other side, which you have two valves, and the exhaust valve is smaller. I thought it was larger. Now the exhaust valve right here, if we look right beyond this exhaust valve into the manifold right up to right here, this is a channel that was blocked. This is an air channel that goes right through here and into the exhaust valve. That's my microwave. The exhaust valve chamber. Now what I'm going to do is take these valves out, and you need a special tool to get that out with. And I just got it in. This is called a valve spring compressor for motorcycles. It only costs like $26. Now what it has is a special tool that's going to help us. But anyway, back to the valves. The valves open and close and keep compression in the cylinder head. If the valves leak, either intake or exhaust, you lose compression, you lose performance. So what I'm going to do is take out the exhaust valve and take out the intake valve. I'm going to check the valve guides, and that is the round hollow tube that they go up and down in to make sure it's okay. I'll check the springs, and then I'm going to do a what's called a valve a lapping job, where you take a lapping, it's kind of like a fine grit putty, and you put it between the valve and the valve seat, which I'll show you, and you grind the valve into the seat, and so with very fine material, and what that does is gives it a better airtight seal. So we'll go back to the other side here, and you can see this is where the clogged port was. It's a port that goes right down here to the exhaust, into the exhaust. Now all RUCKUSes have that, and there's a reason for that. In order to get, well, let's see, what the next video will be taking the rocker arms off the valves.